a Massey Monday around here.
Yeah.
I'm just buying on my lunch because you won't go back.
Tell them what we did. Welcome to my crazy life as a first-generation female farmer. The Chronicles of Kayla. I'll see you guys in the buddy seat. I apologize that it's 10 o'clock and I haven't picked you guys up today. Jalen and I went to run parts all morning, and then I had to grab a couple things in town, so I did all that. Please stop, Ryder. Now, Jason is getting Keaton lined out to start raking. He's gonna go finish mowing. I'm gonna come fly the drone for just a little bit. I'm gonna head back, make lunch boxes, and then bring the baler and Baron over. I hope you guys are ready. There's at least 120 some acres of grass down, and we're going to be doing straw, and there's more hay to bale, and all the things. So, I hope you guys are ready. It's a Massey Monday around here. All the Masseys are working. The 5S and Jason are mowing with the 1393. Keaton is running the rake, and I am bringing over the 6S, the 1842S, and the Baron. So, we just got a lot to do this week. A lot of hay down. Jason started mowing on Saturday. I mowed all day. Where does your dad think he's going?
I don't know.
Out in the middle of my way, I bet. How much you want to bet? It's a Massey Monday around here.
Yeah.
He had to jump his mountains. Okay, so the hay's too wet. Keaton is actually having to go through and flip all these big stroke and rows, what we call stroke and rows, which is like really nice, wonderful, long windrows. We're going to try to go bale over here. I actually have a call that Jason and I are going to jump on real quick. Eat some lunch. And I have my handy dandy helper here today.
Hi. I already had my lunch. I had a ham sandwich.
Did everybody have ham and sandwiches today but me?
Yes.
Yes. Are you ready to bale some hay today?
Yes.
Yes. Is it going to be a long day?
Yes.
Yes. Has it already been a long day?
Yeah, we have to bale this, and then we have a baseball game for brother tonight. So.
It'll be 11:30 before we ever make it home.
Yeah.
I thought you were going to jump them.
Not hurdling today.
Not hurling today. I was really waiting for you to say something else so I could say.
Think it's ready for another monstrous windrow video?
I think so. I think so. It wasn't here though. That was over at Van Dyke's that I did that video. Monstrous windrows. They're pretty big next to you, huh?
Wet.
It's wet. This is when a tedder would be real handy, huh? You can see how wet it is. How's that ham sandwich?
Or nothing.
I packed that.
I'm just about on my lunch because you won't go bail.
I can't bail. It's wet. Alright, well, I guess we'll go try to find somewhere to go.
Yay. Let's go.
Let's go. Here, you hold the people.
Okay. Uh-oh.
And we can't have the radio on. Don't drop the people. You get to be in the True Buddy seat today. Alright, we gotta shut the lids down here. Hold on. Alright.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I'm gonna try to find dry hay
Yes, we're gonna try to find some dry hay.
because all of this hay around us is all wet.
It's not all wet. It's just a little bit too
Yeah,
wet.
It's a little bit too wet.
The windrows aren't too thick,
Yeah.
which is not a bad thing. It's just not allowing us to get into the field the way we want or need to today. And it's not very warm. It's only 75 degrees, so it's not a hot day. It's not a good dry. It's a great drying day. It's just not very hot.
Yeah.
Show them the clouds. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah.
He hauls 21 in a bundle. How many bundles did he just take?
2.
So 2 times 21 is what?
42.
Good job. Alright, now I unclog what's going on there. Alright, you ready? Carry on.
There goes Keaton with the rake.
Is baling hay as much fun as you remember? Not really. No.
Not really.
Not really. We still got a long summer to go. We're just getting started, baby. Boys are taking their first load out. Windrows will put out 643 bales per hour if everything stays just like this. Now, whether or not it does is a whole different story. Jay's been waiting for this day all day.
Out here, we baled, right now we baled 76 bales, I think.
We're almost at 1,000 bales. How many bundles is that? So if you get on your calculator.
I mean bundles, 76 bundles.
We forgot to clear our counter off for the bundler. So do 1,000. 3 zeros. Divide by 21. 21. What's that give you? How many bundles is that? 47. 47 bundles. And we've already sent one trailer load home. Oh, the bale, it's gonna hit. There it goes. There it goes. Hopefully nothing goes wrong here. Here, you take the lead.
Okay.
You can talk to him.
Yay.
Are you happy to be out of school today?
Yes.
So you can be in the field with us?
Yes. I am very happy to be the camera girl today.
Camera. Somebody's got to do it.
Yep.
I flipped out a bale. Got a bundle back there.
Popped out a bale.
A bundle.
Bundle. I can't get used to them.
Here, show them the bundles. See them? Hey, you look through there, then they. Otherwise, you're gonna make them so busy. We shared a ball.
You want me to go get it?
No, it's broke. It's kind of there trying to find me. Can you see me? Because if you can't see me, the people can't see me. like 15